Hello everyone, I got these Hobonichi drawer pouches during the Amazon Black Friday sale. They were super deal, so I thought I would try them out. This was 22, this was 30, and this was 42, which is a little pricey, but a good deal considering, so I thought I would try it. Let's start with this one. This is a drawer container box pouch situation. It's quite a bit smaller than I was expecting. Sorry, the noise. I'll show you how some things fit in it later. But this is nice if you like to have maybe stuff laid out, like pens or washi tape, instead of having them like bunched in like a traditional pencil case. So this is zipper, and there's also like this rubber band. I guess you could put scissors, and it's like a fabricy canvasy like material. Pretty cute. I'm gonna think about it. So that's that one. Next, let's try this one. Like the drawer pouch, the small one. I don't have one of these. I have the Anne. I have two of the Anne ones. I have them here. It's like it's a size comparison. I have this one and I have this one. This one's really cute. This is just like a small one. I didn't realize this was so dark inside, but I thought I would try this for some smaller items. Okay, and then this one. This is not a color scheme that I would normally go for, but you know, I can try things. Actually, all of these things together are kind of a strange color combination. Ooh, I'm gonna have to cut the tag, I guess, to open it. Okay, I've got a pair of scissors. Snip. See. Oh, this is gonna fit a lot. This could fit so much. It's pretty hefty too. Okay, let's see. I have a weeks, which I'm sure is gonna fit. Let's see if drilling ink, passport size, compact, just for size reference. This kind of fits, but I probably wouldn't because I wouldn't want to rub the edges, rub the corners there, so that's gonna be a tight fit. This can kind of fit in there. Okay. That is a ton of pockets. Okay, so yeah, just short and sweet unboxing. Bye!